is the new TicWatch Pro 5. It's Mobvoi's latest Wear OS 3 smartwatch that packs a ton of features into a lightweight watch. I've reviewed many of Mobvoi's TicWatches over the years, from the Budget E3 to the Pro 4G LTE to last year's Pro 3 Ultra, and I gotta say, I really like these smartwatches. There's no denying that I am a long-time Apple Watch user. That should be no surprise. However, I have always found these TicWatches right here to be excellent alternatives, and the TicWatch Pro 5 is no exception. It blends everything that I love about Mobvoi's previous smartwatches into a watch that's fast, fluid, independent from your phone, and lasts for days. This is no doubt the best of the bunch so far. The TicWatch Pro 5 features the latest Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 chipset, a 1.4-inch dual-layered display that consists of an ultra-low power display on top of an OLED display, a new crown on the side to navigate around, a bunch of health and fitness tools built in, NFC for using Google Wallet, fast charge capabilities, and a large battery inside for extremely long battery life. Like, I am talking 3 to 4 days or more per charge under normal use, and there's also about 45 days in Essentials mode, which is pretty crazy. We're going to talk more about both in a bit. Before we continue on with this review though, let us rewind to a quick unboxing and setup so you guys can see all of that fun stuff. Alright, so when you first get the TicWatch Pro 5, it's going to arrive in some really nice packaging. This is a fairly large 50mm watch that comes with a 24mm silicone strap. Despite it being on the larger side, this watch is surprisingly lightweight. The overall design here is similar to previous TicWatches, which isn't a bad thing because it works. This isn't a watch that is going to turn heads or anything like that, but it is sleek and feels the part of a premium watch. It doesn't feel one bit cheap or plasticky. Also in the box, you're going to find the magnetic charging cable and some documentation with some quick tips on how to use it. I have fairly small wrists, so I was a bit worried how the fit would be with a large watch like this, but when I put it on for the first time, I was impressed by how nice and comfortable it turned out to be. Going back to my 45mm Apple Watch after using this thing makes it feel so small. Setting the TicWatch Pro 5 up with your phone is incredibly easy. Rather than using the Wear OS app, pairing is now done through Mobvoi's new Mobvoi Health app, and the pairing process is seamless. I was up and running in only about a few minutes. The one unfortunate thing that I found out when setting this watch up is that it's no longer compatible with iPhones, which is kind of a bummer. You're gonna need to have an Android handy to get up and running. I have the watch paired with my Google Pixel 7a, and the two make for a great combo. That said, Mobvoi's new app here is really nice. It's easy to view your health and fitness goals, organize tiles, change your watch face, and also change the settings on the watch. What's nice is that you can also do all of these things on the watch itself, so going back to the app is not something that you're gonna have to do often. Next, let's move on to talking about the durability and some of the other features. If you haven't noticed, the TicWatch Pro 5 is a rugged watch. It's made of military-grade aerospace aluminum, and it has Gorilla Glass over the displays. It's also fully waterproof, so you can take it for swims in the pool and things like that. The Pro 5 also has GPS capabilities built in. It isn't the fastest to locate a signal, but when it does, it's reliable and works well. I was also surprised to find out that it has 32 gigs of storage inside for downloading music and things like that. It also has a built-in microphone and speaker for taking and making calls, both of which work well. There is a lot packed into this watch. The one thing that it doesn't have though is Google Assistant. It is possible that we'll see it in an update down the line, but there's no sign of it at the moment. This is kind of unfortunate because it would be so cool to control your lights and smart home gadgets directly from the watch. Who knows, maybe someday we'll be able to do that. When it comes to health and fitness tools, the TicWatch Pro 5 is no slouch. From setting workouts to tracking your sleep to finding out your heart rate and oxygen levels to even pairing with Mobvoi's own home treadmill, the TicWatch Pro 5 does it all. I've taken this thing on numerous walks, runs, trips to the gym, and I even used it with Mobvoi's own treadmill. I was very impressed with it. It was easy to start and track a workout and take exercise, check my heart rate and take pulse, oxygen levels and take oxygen, and so on and so forth. Mobvoi makes it very easy to do those things in their dedicated apps, though I can't help but feel like I was getting numbers that were lower than the ones that I would get on my Apple Watch. Maybe those numbers are high and this is normal and I'm just lazy, I have no idea, but it is worth pointing out. The Pro 5 is going to make you work harder for them gains. As you've been seeing throughout this video, this watch also pairs with Mobvoi's home treadmill series. If you have one of those, you can use the Treadmill app to track your workouts and log your data towards your goals. In one of my previous TicWatch reviews, I think it was the TicWatch E3, I got to try a watch on one of their treadmills like I got to do here. However, at the time, those two weren't compatible, so I mentioned in that video video how cool it would be if they were. You know, Mobvoi could start creating a fitness ecosystem of sorts. This time around, the watch and the treadmill work together, and it is awesome. I've been using the TicWatch Pro 5 with Mobvoi's awesome new home treadmill incline, and they work beautifully together. Once the watch is connected, it's going to pair every time you put on the treadmill, and you can start and stop a workout on the treadmill itself and start tracking it. It is really cool having a small fitness ecosystem that works fluidly together. All the health and fitness apps on the TicWatch Pro 5 come pre-installed, so you'll have them all right out of the box. The one gripe that I have with that is that there are so many of them, so it would be nice if we had the option to remove the ones that we don't use. There is a lot of scrolling that you need to do to find the ones that you're looking for. All in all though, I found this watch to be a really great health and wellness tool to have on your wrist. And lastly, let's talk about battery life. This is where the TicWatch Pro 5 shines. It packs a huge 628 milliamp hour battery for up to 80 hours per charge under normal use. That is pretty incredible. You can also get up to 65% capacity with a quick 30-minute charge. What's even more impressive is that you can get even more juice out of this watch thanks to an upgraded Essential mode. Essential mode basically shuts off Wear OS completely and limits you to just the ultra low power display. You're only going to be able to see the time, your steps, and things like that, but if you are in a pinch or you forget your charger when you're traveling, this extends the battery life big time, like up to 45 days big time. It is insane. I've been using the TicWatch Pro 5 for about 2 weeks now, and I only charged it about 3 times if that. Mobvoi's claims are pretty on par with what I've been able to get out of it. If you want a smartwatch with incredibly long battery life, this is it. The endurance that this thing has is downright impressive. To start closing this video, I really like the TicWatch Pro 5. It's an amazing, well-rounded smartwatch that looks good, has 2 great displays, it's fast, responsive, has extremely long battery life, it has a bunch of great health and fitness tools built in, and it's easy to navigate around thanks to the addition of the crown on the side. I would absolutely feel 110% confident leaving my phone behind if this watch had cell service. It is that good at what it does. I guess you could still leave your phone behind in some cases if you want. You know, you can pair your earbuds with the watch, you can download some songs and venture off for a run or go to the gym to disconnect and things like that, but the only thing is you're not going to get any texts or any calls. At the end of the day though, I think the TicWatch Pro 5 is easily the best Wear OS smartwatch that you can pick up at the moment, like hands down. Mobvoi did a great job with this thing. If you are an Android user and you are in the market for a new smartwatch, the TicWatch Pro 5 here is very much worth considering. So that's about all I got for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, you know the drill. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on Twitter and Instagram for much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!